5 incredible lesser-known animal facts. Animals perceive time differently. Smaller animals like salamanders, lizards, and insects experience time more slowly compared to larger animals like cats and dogs. This is because the perception of time is dependent on how quickly an animal's brain can process incoming information. Faster brain processing leads to a slower perceived passage of time, allowing smaller creatures to react more quickly to their fast-paced environments. This begs the question: if trees and plants are conscious, how do they perceive time? Ants don't have lungs. Instead of lungs, ants breathe through small openings called spiracles located along the sides of their bodies. Air enters and exits the ant's body through these spiracles, which are connected to a system of tubes that deliver oxygen to the ant's tissues. Rats laugh when they're tickled. When rats are tickled, they emit high-pitched chirps that are considered a form of laughter. Brave researchers have found that rats will even seek out humans to tickle them so they can experience this positive response. So maybe next time you are approached by a rat, don't be so quick to grab the broom. It might just want some tickles from you. Okay, grab the broom, but it is still something to consider as you chase it around whilst freaking out. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button on the bottom right of your screen. This is a small channel, so every subscriber helps. Sharks are one of the oldest living creatures on the planet. They have been around for over 400 million years. This makes them older than the dinosaurs, older than Mount Everest, and even older than trees. These creatures are such successful predators that they have hardly changed much over that time. Although there are some very weird-looking deep-sea sharks that live near the bottom of the ocean. Sharks have survived at least 5 major mass extinction events, which is quite incredible. They fear nothing except for killer whales. Killer whales, also known as orcas, are the apex predators of the world's oceans. They have been observed exhibiting a remarkable hunting behavior, targeting sharks and selectively consuming their nutrient-rich livers. This behavior has been documented in various regions around the world, including South Africa, Argentina, New Zealand, and the coast of California. In South Africa, a pair of male orcas nicknamed Port and Starbird have become notorious for their shark hunting exploits. These orcas have been observed working together to take down great white sharks and seven-gill sharks, ripping open their bellies and extracting the liver. In a recent incident observed by researchers, a lone orca named Starbird was documented hunting and killing a juvenile great white shark on its own, without the assistance of its partner, Port. This was the first time such a solo orca attack on a great white shark had been recorded in detail. The entire attack lasted less than 2 minutes, with Starbird grabbing the shark's pectoral fin and shaking it violently to tear open the abdomen and extract the liver. The researchers believe this solo hunting behavior by Starbird may be an indication that orcas are becoming more adept at targeting sharks, and that this could have significant conservation implications. As sharks already face various human-induced pressures, the added threat of orca predation could potentially be a tipping point for some shark species in certain regions.